Forget the stock market. The easy money right now is being made in the precious metals. Gold hitting a new all-time high, silver catching a bit. But the real hot trades in the precious metals market are in palladium and platinum. What's setting up there is really interesting. Let's talk about it. Welcome to Hot Trades of the Day, your show for swing trading ideas for the coming days and weeks. Let's jump right into it. There's no reason to deal with the stock market, which will be all over the place this week with the big tech earnings. And what's more important than the numbers, obviously the conference call and what they say about the upcoming quarters. The easy money is being made in the precious metals. Look at gold right here. New all-time high. Broke out today. This is exactly why I told you in yesterday's video, you do not sell your core long positions. If you want to go short, and I told you not to do this, then you trade around your core longs. And today is the perfect example why you're not doing this. You made a lot of money with your longs today, and you are still in this trade. The same with silver. Strong day today. However, different to gold, silver has to get up above this recent high, close there on the daily, and confirm in order to get a real strong new buy signal. Now then, silver can really run. We know that. But we're not there yet. However, it looks good. So where's the real action at? The real action is going to be in platinum, right? Wayne Gretzky, you know it. One of my favorite quotes of all time. You don't need to go where the puck is. You need to be where the puck is going to be. That's exactly what we're doing. Where's the puck going to be in the precious metals? It's going to be in platinum. Very strong day. We broke out about the most recent high, and we took out this high right here from July, giving us, let me calculate this real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, close to a 5-month high, strong midterm buy signal. However, in order for the platinum rally to really start, it needs to take out this high right here. So you can see when the action is going to start. It's basically going to start if it closes above 1,110 and confirms. Why is that? Well, that is basically a new yearly high, a new 12-month high. Well, it's more than 12 months. It's almost 18 months. And that will trigger the trend following signals. I told you before that the majority of the institutional investors who really move the market, unless we're talking about small cap commodity companies, they are no commodity experts, so they will simply use trend following models. So if we get strong signals in platinum, which will be if we break this high, that's when they're gonna jump in. You see the beautiful breakout out of this triangle formation to the upside. This is where the action is. The strength of the past days confirms it. People are positioning themselves. Also really interesting in this platinum market are obviously the platinum companies. There are not that many. Most of them are South African companies. And because of that, they're quite cheap. So I would take a look at those as well. Would I get in right now on a trade? No. I would wait for a pullback. I can see us pulling back at least short term to this area right here. The zone basically that we broke out of today. That's about $50. So that is where I would use my entry. Now, Palladium. I told you yesterday, wait for a short signal on Palladium. I was bearish on Palladium, and look at this. We are getting there. This is the situation in Palladium that we faced. And I told you yesterday, don't try to time the market. We hit the yellow big time resistance zone that we got rejected here at the end of last year. We hit it again, the midpoint, which is exactly what we hit last time. And I told you it looks bearish. I would prefer the short side here on Palladium, short term. However, wait for a signal. Wait for a doji with a long wick. You know I love wicks. Why do I love wicks? Because they tell us how the market is reacting to price action. And look at this. We are getting close, gentlemen. This is a long wick that shows us that there was strength in the Palladium price and it got sold. Now, if we turn negative on the daily, remember, on the daily, in the close, then we have our signal for a short trade in Palladium. It'll be a quick one, no doubt, but there's money to be made here on the short side. So this is very, very interesting. The key here, and the big mistake that a lot of traders made, and that I used to make, is don't jump in too early. If you do not want to wait for the daily close, then at least wait to the last hour of trading. You know, that's when the professionals come in, that's when the institutions come in. And then if you start to see weakness in the Palladium price, okay, then you might as well just open up your position. If you are wired that way, that's fine. I prefer the close on the daily. Do I miss out on gains that way? Yes, I do. I will never hit the top and I'll never hit the bottom. However, I increase the probabilities of a winning trade, and that's worth it for me. If I trade against the market trying to time the top, when I hit, yes, I make more profits. However, a lot of times, once trends get established, they are a lot stronger than you and I and most traders think they are, and prices can go a lot higher or a lot lower than we are expecting, and then you're caught in a position and it can go against you very, very fast and lead to rough losses that are unnecessary. If we just wait for the confirmation signals, we'll make a little bit less on the trades, but we increase the probability to win. And that is the key to trading, as you know. Keep your losses to a minimum because they will come. If you get caught in these terrible trades that hit you big losses, you're in a hole that you need to dig yourself out of, and that basically going to throw off all your trading for a while. So look at the precious metals. What we saw today in gold is very bullish. Any pullbacks on gold are buying opportunities. Palladium, wait for the short signal. Platinum, any pullback in platinum now is a buying opportunity. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.